Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm stoked you're here. I want to thank all the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you for your support. And I want to welcome any of you who might be new here, stopping by. If you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it'll notify you when I release new videos like these unboxings when they come in. Unboxing tonight today will be our Civivi Baby Banter, because it just happens to be here. And this is coming to us from White Mountain Knives. I picked this up because it looked interesting. And a lot of times when they look interesting, they don't live up to the look, right? But anyway, what made this one look interesting is they didn't have a picture of it on the site. So this is, I had to go Google it. This is a mystery knife. But it looked unlike any TwoSun I had seen. It's got Timascus. Hold on a second. Let's get this put away and let's check this thing out. I'm a little bit jazzed on it, if I must say so. Because I wasn't expecting, the ones that I pulled is very oily. The ones that I pulled to look like did not have the Timascus. And I was curious how they were going to do that because, again, there wasn't a picture on White Mountain. So this is titanium with Timascus with this nice M390. Wow, it's oily. The TS172 M390. It's got this deep, deep hollow grind and this compound grind at the tip. It's got fantastic access to the lock bar. Let's see how it flicks. Whoops. I don't know how well it's going to flick until it gets broken in. The detent might be a little hard for it to flick. I'll break it in and let you guys know. See, thumb flick. There's just not much of a lip in there. Got strong detent. But anyway, it's got a great flipper tab. Whether I push button it or whether I flick it, I think it's an elegant knife, guys. I know I will overcome the flicking dilemma because I will break it in, clean it out if I need to. It's just the detent that needs to be probably worked in. But I am very impressed with the construction of this knife, just from what I can tell on first impressions. And this is just an unboxing. You've got this nice back spacer, titanium. You've got this nice clip, beautiful blade, deep hollow grind with the flat grind here. Does have kind of a Tonto tip. The liner lock reminds me of Collins' knife with them. I think it's the TS319. But yeah, I have a feeling that once we work with this and I get a good pressure point on it, that I will be able to middle finger flick it. Because with just the slightest pop out of that detent hole, which is very stiff, I just need to put some, maybe I'll break it down, clean it up, or just break it in. But guys, this is the TwoSun TS172. These are available at White Mountain Knives. You probably have not seen them because they just have the TwoSun name. The price I think was 148 bucks, but it was an M390, so I could kind of deal with that. And it said Timascus, so I was curious what that was going to be. And I like these little bands of Timascus. I think they look pretty sweet. Again, guys, for $148 knives, I'm not going to complain. I'm going to try it out. I'm going to bring you guys a full review. We'll talk about it down the road. Who knows? May stay in the collection, may find a new home. I love the forward choil. I love the grip of the knife. I can really see myself using this knife. Let's see how the pocket clip is. I've got my 511s on. a little bit stiff, not too bad. It's a shorter clip. But that brings me to another thought. I did order my Max Ace replacement clip for a penny, plus $14 shipping from Max Ace. So that should be coming in the next not too distant future. And we'll do a switch on that and see how that makes that little meerkat. But guys, this again is the TwoSun TS172. It's an M390. This is number 045. I don't know how many they made in this run, but I know Justin has some. If it appeals to you, go check it out. I will do my best to let you know how the reverse flicking goes on it, but the flipper tab is perfect. It's dialed for it. With two fingers, I can easily get it with a little wrist, but I'm not into wrist. So let's see if I can't get it to eventually come out and work. But anyways, guys, it works fine as a traditional flipper. It is an awesome knife. I really love the touch of the Timascus. I'm not a big Timascus guy, but that's just enough to kind of break up the monotony of what is also, I think, a gorgeous knife. Guys, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please, please, please look out for one another. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. We're all welcome here. We all have different ideas. I love you all. Till we meet again, this video will be coming up soon. So for those of you who might want to subscribe, hit that subscribe button. That way you'll always know when videos come up, especially unboxings. I love you all. Peace.